Ooh, come through, Miss Petunia.
Don't work at MAC, but I'll be the big face. In a foreign car, like, do you wanna race? I smoke OG, you can see it in my face. Blue hundreds on me, who gon' make some shake? You a dummy if they eat up off your plate.
Hi guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. You have returned back to Charismatic Glam with me, Charisma, and I thank you guys for watching. So, I could not end this night without making a video because guess what I got today? The infamous black box. The last order that I've purchased from MAC, when I looked on the site and looked at my order history, was 2017. That's a long time. 2017 was my last order from MAC. But today, well, not even today, but when I went onto the site and saw that Teyana Taylor had a MAC collection, oh, I had to get it. I had to get it. I could not let it pass by. The last time that I purchased a MAC product was at the freaking cosmetics company outlet. In my area, I live in Jersey, so in my area there are many cosmetic company outlet stores, and most of the time when things come out, I can just wait a little bit and eventually it'll be there and I can get it for pennies compared to going on MAC's website and spending like $20, $19 on a lip gloss. Because you see, things have changed from when I was a MAC addict and I used to go to the MAC counters and stuff like that and purchase. MAC was like $14, $15 for a lipstick. Now lipsticks is $20. But anyway, enough rambling. Let's get to the box, shall we? So, I could not wait. And I had to open it up. I had to take a look at the goodies. I'm so happy that I made the purchase from this particular collection. I absolutely love Teyana Taylor. So I had to purchase from my girl. This is all that I got. And we're about to review. Let's get into the packaging. Like, Teyana did her thing on these packagings. These packagings are all in like this pretty lime green, neon orange color, and I believe they have like a neon yellow, but that's the stuff that I miss. So I purchased almost everything from this collection except for the lip liners, and the reason why I did not purchase the lip liners is because basically it's just regular signature MAC colors like a Night Moth, a Hodgepodge, and then there was one called, I believe, Cyber Monday. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong in the description box, but I don't see any reason on me spending money on these same things that I can find on an everyday in MAC just because it had Teyana Taylor on a package. I wasn't doing it, so I left those. But I also did not get a lip gloss, and it's a pink lip gloss. I cannot remember the name of it. And there was a purple lipstick that I did not get as well because I don't wear purple anything like that. It had like blue glitter in it. I don't wear that type of stuff on my lips. I'm normally a nude girl when it comes to my lipstick, a bubblegum pink. Every now and again, I might get a little bright, a little snazzy, a little cute, but as of lately, I have been a complete nude girl when it comes to the lips. So, you know what? Instead of starting with this, let me start with what I got on my lip, because this lip is from this Teyana Taylor collection. And it is these two products right here. And this is the lipstick. It is in Good Morning. I absolutely love the package. I believe y'all gonna love it as well if you order it. It is the clear neon orange packaging. You can kind of, as y'all can see my finger through this, you can see through it. This stuff, it's not a sticker or anything like that. It is engraved on the packaging, and it basically just says MAC Teyana Taylor. And this is the color. It is like a pinky nude color, and I have it on my lips along with the lip gloss. The lip gloss is called Gonna Love Me. And a lot of these are, if you guys have her last album, this titles from her last album. So I absolutely love this one. I can see this is gonna be an everyday lip gloss for me. I mean, not lip, so lip gloss and lipstick, but this is the lip gloss that coincides with the lipstick. And they have like these little gold flecks in it. It's really pretty by itself. It's a really, really pretty lip gloss by itself, as well as paired with the lipstick. So what I have on right now, it is paired with the lipstick. Lipstick is on top. The lip gloss is what I put on first. I have on no lip liner with it at all. But, you know, you're more, if you have this as well, this is how it would look if you're my complexion. But you are more than able to put a lip gloss, a lip liner, whatever color lip liner you want on this. I usually just don't wear lip liner sometimes when I'm doing gloss and lipsticks together. But if I do a lipstick, then I will do a lip liner. But I love the packaging. It's really, really pretty. This collection is really, really fun. If you know anything about Teyana, she's very, very fun. She's very edgy. She usually, you know, she plays with color, but she has that fun, you know, rocker, girly edge to her that I absolutely love. I adore her. So it was only right that I got these. So another product that I received as well, and I made sure I bought lipstick and lip glosses to every product that I have, because this right here is all lips. So I got this product here, and this is called But Ain't Got No Manners. And like I said, the names of these lip products, or the name of her products, basically are from this the album, her last album, not this new one. I haven't quite heard the new one just yet. I've been meaning to though. But this right here, guys, if you guys remember Ohhh Baby, I don't even believe they even have it anymore in store. But if you guys remember Ohhh Baby, this reminds me of Ohhh Baby. Like, every girl had Ohhh Baby back in this day. So this is like so pretty. It's like a neutral brown color, and it's so pretty on the lips, especially because it has the gold flecks in it. Very, very similar to Ohhh Baby. I have it in the back, but it looks so pretty on the lips. This is But Ain't Got No Manners. And this here is the lipstick, and it's called I Got a Man, But I Ain't Got No Manners. So that's definitely a phrase from her album, which I know y'all Teyana Taylor fans like me. But anyway, this is the lipstick. And when I tell y'all, this is such a everyday wear. For those of you that's afraid of color, this right here would work. Look at that. And I'm sorry, guys, I tried it on because I just had to. I was gonna show up in the video with this one on, but I decided to try this one on, and I actually love it, especially with these eyes. So that is that. Next up is the pink section, and this is called A Rose in Harlem. This is the lipstick, and this is the lipstick, the lip gloss, and it's called Tens Across the Board. This right here did not go with the album, the last album, so I'm not sure if this is from maybe the newer album, or she just decided to throw in a color name that was not really on the album. But it is actually, no, because remember in what's the song, Work This, y'all fill in the blanks, they gave her Tens Across the Board when she was, you know, doing the Vogue and whatnot, everybody gave her 10s. So I'm going to assume that that's where it came from. Yeah, I think that's where it came from. But if you guys know, let me know down in the comment box as well. But I think that's where it came from. But anyway, because y'all know she definitely rambles on and on and on. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It's like a deep color. And my friend, because she just saw it a little while ago, she said this color looks like blood. But it's so pretty. Like, it's really pretty. For this one, and this is not a swatch video, but I think I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one just because, oh my God, look at that. So I guess she's right. It does kind of look like blood, but this is such a pretty fall color. Such a pretty fall color. Oh my God, it's such a pretty fall color. I could see myself rocking this. Look at that. That is so pretty. And this gonna be bad on the lip. And this one is called A Rose in Harlem. And this is a matte. This is basically just your red. It looks very similar to Ruby Woo on the lips, but it's not as drying as Ruby Woo. It's a matte lipstick. It's basically the normal matte lipstick, not the retro matte, and which is what Ruby Woo is. So it still has a nice bit of slip. It still has some type of moisturization to it. So for those of you who may feel like, you know, I like Ruby Woo, but it's too dry, this would be a perfect red for you. I like it. Like, I had this on my lips too because, like I said, I was fiending for this collection. So when it showed up today at my door, I was like, oh no, I can't. I was gonna wait till tomorrow to do this, but I decided, you know what? No, let's just get this done tonight because it gives you girls enough time to go run out if you were contemplating whether you should get it. I don't know if I should get it. I want to get it, but I don't know. Blah, 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 whatever. There's still products left. Get on the site. But let me give you guys a warning. If you are interested in that purple lip with the blue flecks in it, or you're interested in that pink lip gloss with the gold flecks in it, sorry guys, it's already sold out. But the rest of these products are available. And let me get to now the skin finish that I was telling you guys about in the beginning. That is called House of Petunia. First off, MAC did their thing. They did their thing with the matte pink. Like, pink is my favorite color. Any pink. To me, the brighter the pink, the better. So I'm really, really excited about this. And I actually have this on as my highlight, House of Petunia. I have it on my nose. I have it on my cheek. Like, look at that. Look at that. So I think this is like the perfect summer highlight. So too bad though, for the most part, a lot of us ain't going nowhere. So we're gonna be doing a lot of modeling in the house for the summer. But Teyana, if we were allowed to go out, like really go out, this right here be what I'd be wearing all summer long because, baby, look at that highlight. Look at that. Look at that. When I tell you one thing that MAC does is gets a damn highlight, they get it together, baby. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me that's not bad. Like, y'all can't tell me that's not bad. Now, what I will say to you guys though is, are there better highlighters out there? I'm sure there are. However, I think that this right here goes like, because I have a bunch, and maybe one day I'll go through my skin finishes my highlighters from MAC and show you guys them, but I have a bunch of them. So now what I like about this is it's not overly glittery. So if you are a girl that wants to shimmer, but you know, but you don't want all that extra flashy shine that shows up in the camera, all that glitter, all them flakes and whatnot all on your cheek, this would be perfect for those of you that don't want all that extra glitter and stuff like that sometimes highlighters can have. Because sometimes we just don't want that. We just honestly want, we just want a nice, soft, smooth finish without all that extra glitter that be falling all over your daggone face. So to me, this is perfect. This is $37 though. And again, for $37, I'm more than sure that you guys can find another highlighter somewhere else. You don't have to buy this. But again, because I like Teyana Taylor and I really wanted to support, you know, that black girl magic, I wanted to make sure that I got her products. So I made sure to buy most of the products, like I said, in this collection. I am going to be on a lookout, though, for the pink lip gloss that I really, really, really want. Hopefully, MAC decides that they want to be so gracious and so kind that they will definitely restock. Because if they do, I'm going to be on it. Like I said, I was not a fan of the purple lipstick with the blue flecks. But if you girls and guys are out there, please let me know what you guys thought about it. Because let me know if I slept on, you know, like a banger. Let me know. And then you guys let me know what you guys think about these products here. So for me, like I said, do I feel that this collection is a necessary collection though? No. But again, number one, I'm a MAC collector and I love Teyana Taylor and I wanted to support and I did. But there are some products in here that I think that you guys would like. And I said, you know what, let me give a moment because I want you guys to check it out. So go check it out. These are just a little bit of what I thought, you know, for these products. So guys, that concludes my video. Please do not forget to rate, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't you forget to hit that notification button so you know any and every time that I upload a video. Because you know we growing over here, baby. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.